Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Maths with Sabah. Today I am going to discuss class 9 mathematics exercise 1.2. Question 1. Write transpose of the following matrices. Part 1 is P equal to 1, 2, 3, 1. P transpose equal to, by taking transpose of a matrix, change the column into rows or rows into column. Here 1 3 is in column, 1 2 3 1. This is rows, 1 3 2 1. These are column. P transpose is equal to 1 3. Change column into rows. We write here 1 3. 2 1. We write in rows 2 1. Part 2. Q is equal to L M N P. Q transpose is equal to L N is in column. We write in row L N. M P is in column. We write in row M P. Part 3 is R equal to 6. R transpose is equal to 6. One column and one rows. So transpose is also same. Part 4 is S is equal to -5 -2 4 1 1 4. S transpose is equal to, write column in the place of row. -5 -2 and 4. 1 1 4 is in the column. We write 1 1 4 is in row. 1 1 4. Part 5 is T equal to 6 7 8 13 1 3 2 4 5. T transpose is equal to, write column in place of row. 6 13 2 in row. 6 13 2. Next column in next row. 7 1 4 7 1 4. Next column in next row. 8 3 5 8 3 5. Now we solve question 2. Question 2 is, which of the following matrices are transpose of each other? Part 1, A is equal to A1, A2, B1, B2. Part 2, A1, B1, A2, B2. Part C and part D. Part A is A1, A2, B2. We take transpose of A. Taking transpose of A. A transpose is equal to, we write column in row A1 B1, column in row A2 B2. We can see that A transpose is equal to A1 A2 B1 B2 and B equal to A1 A2 B1 B2. So, and B is equal to A1 A2 B1 B2. This implies that A transpose is equal to B. So, A and B are transpose of each other. Now, we can see that C equal to -3 1 -1 4 2 C. Now we take transpose of C. Taking transpose of C. C transpose is equal to, we write number of rows in column. -3 1 -1 4 2 7. We can see and D equal to minus 3, 1, minus 1, 4, 2, 7. Here we can see that C transpose is equal to D. So C and D are transpose of each other. So C and D are transpose of each other. Now we solve the next question, question 3 of this exercise. Question 3 is which of the following matrices are symmetric? Part 1, A equal to 5 minus 7 minus 1 and 5. First, we know that what is symmetric. If A transpose is equal to A, then matrix is symmetric. Here A is 5 minus 7 minus 1, 5. Taking transpose, A transpose is equal to, we write column in the place of row, 5 minus 7 minus 7, 5. Next column in next row. Here A transpose not equal to A. So matrix A is not symmetric matrix. Not symmetric matrix. Matrix A is not symmetric matrix. Now we solve part 2. Part B is minus 1, 2, 2, 3 by taking transpose. B transpose is equal to, we write column in rows, minus 1, 2 in rows, 2, 3 in rows. We can see that B equal to minus 1, 2, 2, 3. B transpose is also minus 1, 2, 2, 3. So this implies that B transpose is equal to B. So matrix B is symmetric matrix. Matrix B is symmetric matrix. Now we solve part 3. C equal to 3, 5, 4 and 6. Part 3 is C equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 by taking transpose. C transpose is equal to 3, 5 in column, we write in row. 4, 6 in column, we write in row. We can see that matrix C is not equal to C. C transpose is not equal to C. So matrix C is not a symmetric matrix. So matrix C is not a symmetric matrix. Now we solve the next part, part 4. Matrix D is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By taking transpose, in transpose we write rows in column 1, 2, 3, we write in column 4, 5, 6 in rows, we write in column. Here we can see that D transpose not equal to D. So matrix D is not a symmetric matrix. Now question 3 is complete and question 4 inshallah I will upload in my next video. Thank you for watching my videos.